Alright, this is part 2 of surviving as the legendary Mustagarix. Oh, is this for us? I mean, he doesn't seem... Go, 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 go! Jinx! No! No! And there I was, sitting there, watching my own mother die. That is so unfortunate. And now I'm just defenseless without her. We can't control this place after all. Yeah, see, it's sad too. Wait, our brother respawned. But just in 1 minute, everything just went wrong. Oh, that is so sad. But we are frosty, so we probably should move to the mountains. I hate that Kendall for what he did to my mother and my brother. Absolutely so unfortunate. Oh, she sent me a friend request. Okay, thank you. Now it's only me and my brother standing. Oh no, he's a Meowlark now, so he doesn't have a revive token. And that is super unfortunate. Well, I guess this is how me and my brother's story ends. And now I just gotta survive alone. Just without no one else to help me. Is it me? What in the world? And probably without her, I wouldn't survive. But I am sure it's possible, right? I'm sure it's possible. Just being the sole survivor of my family. Just being attacked by that Kendall. But I'm sure that we can reunite. Gartocus. What destiny failed me to be that very sole survivor? What is this luck? Am I the chosen one? Who knows? Well, I'm just gonna rest at this perch. Right here, just living at the swamp where, life is just more peaceful. The Kendalls can't get up here, especially that one that killed, the two of the ones that were very important to me. I wouldn't have survived without them, but now I just can't survive because I'm not, this thing anymore. I'm sure we all can get revenge. The Gartokus versus the Kendo. That would be such a cool fight. Well then, let's reunite with our mother that has just... what was it called again? Oh, there's a mantis. No, we do not want to touch that. Do we? Like, we can reunite with our mother that has been reincarnated as a Gartokus. Like, so much happened in just 5 minutes. What has led me? Oh, I see her. Well, not really. Oh. Yes, we've reincarnated. Look at how cool she is, though. It's awesome. And we will get revenge on that very Kendall that took the life of my mother and brother. Oh, we're adult now. Yeah, but we are absolutely not sure if we will survive. Especially me. Oh, there's a Hygos. Mother, behind you! There's a Hygos! It's coming! Look behind you, man! Hello? Just 2 Arons, or whatever that is. Look at how big we are. Thank you so much. I was starving. They're so sweet. Look how sweet they are. Let's take revenge on that very Kendall. He might be lurking inside of our cave. Let's see. No, he's not. Just gonna take a quick drink. Oops, wrong button. Alright, so an Oxytailus is part of our revenge team. Oh! Ulfa is also a Gartokus. So the search begins. I don't know if we're able to find him though. He might have changed. So we can camouflage. Well, I guess that is the end of our journey. Thank you so much for staying at the end of part 2. It was... Wait a second. Did I say I was done? Did I really say I was done? Wait, Opha, you know where he is? Tell me where he is, my brother. You're one of the only people I can trust. Oh, she left! Oh. Oh. See where... Let's see where he is. I mean, where we were attacked was right here. But he probably moved. I suspect that. But I am sure we can find him. He probably moved during the incident too. I think he was trying to hide from us because he knows that we are gonna get revenge. Why am I just standing there? Wait. Oasis. Oasis. Oasis is definitely the answer. Thank you so much, Dax. You're included in the video now. You're supporting me, man. Let's see if that Kendall is there. Kendall! Where are you? What in the world? Clearly the Oasis does not like me. Alright. Just telling them that I didn't find him. Oh, it's that little Oxytailus that joined our team. But, wait. Do you hear that? Part 3. It's coming. Whoa! Whoa, it's a few of the power!